What's the meaning of book learning? Book learning. Book learning.
Book learning. Book learning. The term book learning refers to the acquisition of knowledge or education that is gained solely through reading books, rather than through practical experience or observation. While it can provide a solid theoretical foundation, book learning alone may not fully prepare an individual for real-world situations or challenges that require creative thinking or problem-solving skills. Therefore, it is important to balance book learning with hands-on experience and critical thinking to achieve well-rounded personal and professional growth.